John Lennon serves as a prime example of an artist whose music captured the spirit of an entire era. His song Imagine became emblematic of the counterculture movement, reflecting its core values of peace, unity, and a rejection of societal divisions. The Beatles, as a group, also played a significant role in shaping the cultural soundtrack of the 1960s. Although the counterculture movement did not succeed in eradicating hatred, artists like the Beatles were instrumental in reshaping societal norms, leaving a lasting impact on global culture. During this transformative period, the use of psychedelic substances, especially LSD, became increasingly common among rock musicians, including Lennon. He once referred to a particular track from that time as being especially representative of his experience with drugs. The 1960s were marked by a close relationship between drug use and artistic expression. The Beatles themselves experimented with LSD, which profoundly influenced their musical direction. Their earlier pop-oriented sound evolved into more complex, thoughtful compositions that embraced experimentation and incorporated Eastern musical elements. According to biographer Ray Coleman, Lennon once discussed the music landscape at a party shortly before the release of Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. He mentioned being fixated on a particular song, which stood out from the rest of the music of that era. That track was A Whiter Shade of Pale by Procol Harum. This song, which topped the UK charts in 1967, became deeply associated with the psychedelic experience of the decade and held personal significance for Lennon. For him, it captured the essence of the 1960s in a way few other tracks did, symbolizing the intersection of music, emotion, and altered states of consciousness that defined the era.